hit an iceberg, the Titanic.
Maybe if there would have been more global warming,
Jack and Rose would still be together. I think that's 100 years ago, though. They'd still be dead.
that's so sad. I wonder when icebergs melt, where the ice goes. Like, I mean, where the water goes from the ice.
Maybe it goes on top. Maybe that's why they froze to death.
Because the water on top is the coldest.
You guys, cold water sinks to the bottom.
What? Way to be insensitive.
I'm sorry. I'm just stating the facts. Cold water sinks to the bottom.
I think you're wrong.
I'm serious. It really does. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay. Ew.
Come on in, you guys. I have everything ready for the experiment.
You keep experiments in your freezer?
Of course I do. You never know when you'll have to prove something with an experiment.
Oh.
So here we have some lukewarm water, and then I have some ice cubes that have been dyed with food coloring. Let's watch what happens.
It looks like it's sinking.
It is sinking.
I told you, Danette. It will sink straight to the bottom.
Wow.
Yeah, there's not very much on top.
Nuh-uh. None. Really?
Most
Almost
of it
all of
goes
it's the same.
straight to the bottom because the
It's
cold
like
water is
straight-
more dense.
Oh.
Wow, that's
Cool. And it's all
true.
cooling at the bottom.
Wow, I wonder if that's what happens in the ocean. Wait, that's fresh water.
Is that salt water, Lacey?
No, that's fresh water.
Oh.
But the ocean isn't fresh water.
You're right. Maybe we should try it with salt water.
Yeah, I think we should.
Let's try it.
Okay. So we need salt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's
I'll dump this
right
out.
here.
I told you I'm always ready for an experiment. Okay, so now we have salt water so we can see what an iceberg would do if it was melting in the ocean.
Oh. Be careful.
Is it gonna sink? Is it gonna sink?
Wow, it's all staying closer to the top.
Yeah, look at that. It like went back up.
It's all staying at the top, Lacey.
I'm
I
glad-
told you!
You're right, Danette. I'm glad that we did this experiment. I thought it would all sink to the bottom.
So Jack did freeze to death from the iceberg.
Sorry, you guys. I wonder why all the water stays on the top when it's salt water, but sinks to the bottom when it's fresh water.
Wait, doesn't that kind of go along with like you can float better in the ocean than you can in fresh water?
Has to do with density.
I think so.
I think you're right.
As you can see here, the fresh water is more dense than the ice cube, which is at 920 kilograms meters cubed. But as the ice melts, it turns into 998.8 kilograms meters cubed, which is why it sinks to the bottom, because it's more heavy than the water surrounding it. We found that the reason why ice, when it's melting off an iceberg, stays on top of the ocean water is because the ocean water, it has a density of 1,025 kilograms meters cubed, and the ice that is melting is at 998.8 kilograms meter cubed. So that is why in our experiment that the dye stayed on top of the salt water, and in the fresh water it sunk.